Hi, welcome back to another video. If you are visiting here for the first time, hi there, I post easy DIY nail art ideas twice every week. So if you love nail art, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Now let's quickly get into today's nail art tutorial. Start by applying a good quality base coat to protect your nails. Once it dries off completely, apply green nail polish on your index nail and a brownish maroonish kind of nail polish on your pinky as well as thumbnail. Then apply a natural colored nail polish on your middle as well as ring fingernail for our nail art base. As this is an autumn nail design, I'll be making some leaves using the dry marble technique, and for this I'm using the largest dotting tool, or you can even use the backside of the toothpick to create some bigger dots like so. I created the bigger dot in the dark maroonish or brownish nail polish first and then applied a smaller dot on top of it using the peachy nail polish, and then I used the pointy side of the toothpick to drag it in one direction to create the shape of leaves like so. After this, I used a darker green nail polish and a lighter green nail polish on top of it to create some green leaves like so. It's a very simple technique to create a leafy design. Then to fill in some gaps, I created some green as well as brownish dots on the empty spaces. The final step, as always, is to clean your edges and apply a good quality top coat to protect your manicure and help it last for a longer period of time. And that's it. Simple and easy, but really elegant autumn manicure is ready. I'm so impressed with this quick and easy autumn nail art design, and I hope you too enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave a like for this video and also comment down below what other types of nail art videos would you like to see on my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!